I think there is a story. I think there is a story in and around us all the time, happening, evolving, and it's a human story, and that is far more important than what we fantasize. And I try to pick the pieces and keep assembling them over a period of time, and then suddenly some story emerges where everything falls in place. Now this has been there for quite some time, as I just said before we started the show. And I'm always very, very scared because the statement you want to make, the content you want to produce, and the medium is popular Bollywood film. And whether I will be able to keep my audience engaged, whether I'll be able to entertain them, maybe in a slightly different manner, I don't know. This was the very, very first show, and I just would like to know, and especially Arjun and Abhay would like to know if we kept you engaged and entertained.
Okay, it's a wonderful
Thank you so
response.
much. Thank you so much. We can party tonight.
Yeah, we definitely need to.
They don't normally.
How are you, London? Firstly, he talks too much. We got to keep all these guys quiet. How are you guys doing? It's wonderful to be here in London. You guys are beautiful people, and it's wonderful to be here at the London Film Festival with such a beautiful film. Don't you agree? Yes. Really, I'm so proud. Actually, this is the first time I've seen the film myself. I swear, I have woken up at 5 in the morning today, okay, sweating, having panic attacks, okay, and I've called my wife up, and she's been a shrink all day on the phone with me, and she's been trying to calm me down, and then I called a friend of mine, he's here. Sheru, thanks for coming and having breakfast with me and calming me down a bit more. But this is the last time you're going to do something like this, Prakash, you have to promise. Please show me the film. Why? Because it's too much. It's too much drama.
Trust me.
Let's do the drama in front of the camera.
But guys, did you like Abhay in his action role?
Thank you.
Now he's going to be accepted by the Deol family.
Thank you, guys. I'm so glad all of you came, and it's so great to see this reaction. I myself saw it for the first time, so yeah, I'm glad I saw it with you all. I really am. Yeah. Thank you for coming.
But really wonderful. Thank you, guys. Really. This film was really difficult for everybody. You've seen the terrain that we've shot in, and I really want to acknowledge the whole unit who's not here with us today.
That's the challenge, you see, Gary. As we would discuss, because it's the whole backdrop, the whole background is the Naxal issue, how the society has developed the way it has. And I bring in a personal story and weave it into the whole Naxal story. And the whole climax is personal. The two friends, how they meet and they begin to kind of disintegrate immediately after the interval when they meet the first time, and they begin to discuss, and you see that discord is happening. And you know that you can't stop it. So you let it escalate. So in stories like this, I was very, very sort of like, happy working on this script because it had the story of these two friends. But let me tell you, the situation on the ground, as far as our country is concerned, is very precarious. And if we do not wake up today, and if we do not start taking notice of all those we are leaving behind, the increasing gap and distrust is going to destroy us. I hope my film, works like a wake-up call. I really hope.
Oh, it's absolutely a delight to work with this man here. He comes with so much on the table for an actor to go out there and push the envelope. You know, you get rarely do you get to work in films like this, you know, which have got strong messages and at the same time are extremely entertaining, and you can sink your teeth into a character. I think Prakash has seen me, I can speak for myself personally, in a way in Rajniti when I did a film with him, like no other director would, where I would play this crazy politician. Then he's given me a role of Adil Khan, and we're going to go ahead and make this other film now called Satyagraha, where again I'm playing a very intense character. And
You're not supposed to reveal anything on that.
I'm not saying anything about that. I'm not saying
There's an
anything. I
embargo.
swear I'm not saying anything about that. I'm not talking about your acting skills either. There was a scene in the film which I've directed him in. We had to chop it out.
We had to chop it off. Yeah.
And it wasn't because of the direction. But, so yeah, he comes with, you know, a lot on the table, and I'm really glad that we've got this chemistry going. Abhay has been wonderful to work with, you know. I think he also sees that. And then when he puts it together, it just comes across really, really well. He's got a lot of clarity. And yeah, it's always a pleasure to work with a director with a lot of clarity. Well, I think the problem is the villain. What the problem is, what India is going through right now. Okay, there are two boys who have two point of views. Both of the point of views are correct because they're justified from where they come from. Adil believes that if the system doesn't work, you've got to repair it, not destroy it. He understands there's a problem out there. He says the way is wrong. Of the way these people, the approach of these people is wrong. Okay? Kabir believes, which he says in that confrontation, it's a very powerful statement he makes, where he says, it's your government that's the true terrorist out here. You know?
So it is
So
looking at something
have to
from
see the
two
problem.
point of views. Like, you know, you could say, as the two of them are talking, that तू भी अब बंदूक के आतंक की जुबान बोलने लगा. You know, you terrorize people with gun. And the answer is, बंदूक का आतंक तो कुछ भी नहीं है. गरीब को गरीब रखना, उसकी जमीन छीन लेना, उसे अधिकारों से अलग कर देना, इससे बड़ा आतंक और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. The social disparity is creating a terrorism which cannot be equaled.
And that's your job
And
now.
that
You
is
have to
the
be the
message
hero.
this film gives.
The audience needs to be the hero. Everybody who realizes
Everything
it
else
needs to
is
be-
discussion. The major terrorist, this is social structure. You know, you being privileged have a social equity which you can rely on. Think about the 77% of people who have nothing, who live on 20 rupees, you know, and it's impossible for them to get any kind of equity anywhere. It's important that we begin to think about them. We as collective, don't rely on the government. Because the government and systems are not going to work.
Come quickly.
Come,
We are in a hugging mood.
It's all their birthdays. by the looks of it.
Best way to get rid of a Q&A. Everybody come give me a hug.